And this is Ken Kreitzer for Sons of the American Legion Radio at the Army-Navy press conference. I'm a chance to talk with Jeremy Timpf, who's a junior captain of the Army football team, has had an outstanding season at inside linebacker. And Jeremy, we say the defense has come a long way this year. Had a lot of strong efforts. I think back especially to that game at Penn State where you were so competitive with them, playing in front of 75,000 people, whatever the number was up there. Just tell us a little bit about some of the high points, the progress your defense has made this year.
I just think people are playing their jobs a lot more soundly, and the way we work together, I think we've bonded a lot as a defense, and I think that helps us out. Communication is really easy out there. I mean, we don't have any problems getting calls in and out, so I think this team has just come together with our fundamentals, and Coach Bateman has really helped us along with that, and a lot of the assistant coaches, like my linebackers coach, Coach Corliss, he's a great coach, and he's helped us. I mean, a lot of my plays this year have been with the fundamentals I've learned from my coaches. So, I mean, we have a lot of great coaches on the defensive staff.
And you've got a great partner in Andrew King at the other inside linebacker spot, and some very good young outside linebackers. Maybe just tell us a little bit about some of your colleagues on the linebacker corps.
Oh, yeah, Andrew King. I mean, he's an outstanding player. I mean, he's really shined this year. He's made a lot of plays. I mean, his tackles for losses and sacks are top of the country. So, I mean, it's fun to be out there with him. I mean, just watching him play. And some of the outside linebackers, James Gibson and Alex Ackerman, I mean, they're really strong players. They can set the edge for us. And they're young, and they're coming along, and they've learned a lot this year. But they've become a bright spot on our defense.
And just in front of you, I think of T.J. Altamala has had an outstanding season. I mean, he's been there the whole season at nose tackle, and Jordan Smith and John Voight. Just tell us about the guys who play right in front of you.
Oh, we respect our defensive linemen. I mean, because we only got 3 of them, so a lot of times they're just taking up blocks so linebackers can make plays. So I mean, they love this program, and they fight in the trenches every day. So we respect them. TJ's he's played very well this year. I love him at nose guard, and he's helped out our linebackers get plays.
And your secondary, just some of the players who've been on your defensive backs this year had some good players. Obviously, Brandon Jackson has come along quite a bit this year. So about the secondary playing right behind you.
Yeah, they're learning, and they've done a good job this year. I think Brandon Jackson, he's just being a freshman, has fit into his role very nicely, and I think he's learned a lot, and he's become a very good player for this defense. I mean, Ryan Ingley, he struggled with some injuries this year, but he plays, and he can make tackles down with us. He likes to joke around us that he's like a linebacker, which it's all fun and games, but he's a very good tackler, and we appreciate what they do back there behind us.
Yeah. And just tell us a little bit about what you're going to say to the young players and to your team. You've been through the Army-Navy game a couple of times. You know, it's like the Super Bowl. I always tell people it's such a neat event to be a part of. What will you just work with your younger players and players on the defense in preparation for the atmosphere and the excitement of the day?
Yeah, we have a huge freshman class, and for a lot of them, this will be their first Army-Navy game. So it's going to be a nice transition for their whole career here as an Army football player. So just win the locker room and stuff like that. We need to stress to them how much this game means to the school, the country, and just kind of like the world, and show what the Army's all about and how much we can fight for this country. So, I mean, it's going to mean a lot, and we need to teach these freshmen and the young guys.
Absolutely. Jeremy Timpf from the Army defense, a captain, inside linebackers, had an extraordinary season for West Point, and we'll look forward to seeing you out there at the Army-Navy game a week from Saturday.
Thank you very much.
This is Ken Kreitzer for Sons of the American Legion Radio at the Army-Navy press conference in Philadelphia.